Hi, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to open the quick panel. To do it, simply swipe downwards from the top of the screen, like this. Then swipe again down, like that, to open the quick panel. And here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, you can tap on it. This menu will appear, and you can customize the Do Not Disturb mode settings right here. You can select the profile, for example, total silence, alarms only, and priority only. If you select total silence, this will block all sounds and vibrations, including alarms, music videos, and games. If you select alarms only, only the alarms will be hearable, they won't be blocked. And if you select priority only, you won't be able to hear the vibrations, sounds, except from alarms, reminder, events, and colors you specify. Okay. Now, after you select the profile, you can also select for how long the Do Not Disturb mode will be turned on, and you have options like until you turn this off. Basically, it's gonna be turned on until you turn it off, or you have option for 1 hour, and here you can basically add and subtract the time. You can set the time to your liking. Oh my god, let's open it again. And once you're done, you can tap on done or simply tap on screen to go back. Okay, now we can tap on more settings right here to open the Do Not Disturb mode settings, like this. And here we have a few options: priority only allows, automatic rules, and block visual disturbances. If you tap on priority only allows, here you can customize basically the priority only profile, and you can turn on and off some things like reminders, events. If you turn them off, they won't be you won't hear the sounds and notifications about them. If they're turned on, you will hear the sounds and notifications. Below events, we have messages, and this option allows you to basically customize from whom you're gonna get the sound notification when somebody is sending you a message. Then you can select from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only, and from none. If you select from contacts only, you will get the sound notification when only people from your contacts list are writing to you. If you select from start contacts only, you will get notification only when the start contacts, favorite contacts are writing to you. And from none, of course, you will all the notifications will be blocked. And from anyone, every notification will be allowed from messages. Below we have calls. This is the same option as for messages, but for calls, basically you can select from whom you're gonna get the notifications and sounds about the calls. And below we have repeat callers option, and what this option does is basically if the same person calls you more than once within a 15-minute period, the sound notification and vibration will go through when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And you can enable this option or disable it by tapping the switch like this. Okay, let's go back to Do Not Disturb. Here we have also automatic rules. Tap on it, and here we can basically set up a schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode. We have few pre-existing ones like weekend, weeknight, and event. We can tap on them to edit them basically. Here we can tap on rule name to change the name of the schedule. Then we can tap on days and select the days on which the schedule is gonna be active. And as you can see, it has selected Friday, Saturday, but I'm gonna also select Sunday like this. Then I'm gonna tap on start time, and here we can basically set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. To do it, simply press and hold on the screen, or you can simply tap on it too, but you can tap on the hour you want to select. You can also press and hold on this green circle and drag it around like this, depends what you like. Then release it and do the same for minutes. You can tap or drag around that. And right here you can also change AM and PM. For some reason I can't. Oh yeah, I just can't hit it. Okay, AM and PM. And once you're done, simply tap OK. Below we have end time. This is the same option, but this is the time when the do not disturb mode will be turning off, and you can set it like this, like before, like that, and tap OK. Below we have do not disturb. Basically here we can select the profile. We have priority only, alarms only, and total silence. And at the bottom we have option called alarm can override end time. And basically when the alarm rings, it can turn off the schedule will turn off itself. And you can enable the option or disable it. Here you can also enable the schedule by tapping on the switch, like that. And you can remove it by tapping on the bin and tapping delete, like this. You can also remove them by tapping on bin right here and tapping delete. Okay, we can also add our own rule by tapping on add rule. And here we can select the type. I'm gonna select time rule, enter the name, then tap OK. And again we can edit the settings, name, days, start time, end time, profile, and we can also enable or disable this option. Once you're done, simply go back. As you can see, this one is enabled. Let's disable it by basically to disable the schedule you need to tap on it to select it, and here you can enable it or disable it. Let's disable it like that. Okay, let's go back. And last option in do not disturb mode is block visual disturbances, and you can here tap on it and you have two options: black when screen is on and black when screen is off. Basically, if the do not disturb mode is enabled, you can enable these options to block the notifications to pop up on your screen. This option blocks them when the screen is on, and this option blocks them when the screen is off. And you can enable them by tapping on switches or disable them. Okay, let's go back and disable the do not disturb mode like this by tapping on the icon again in the quick panel. And basically that's how you enable the do not disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.